welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am doing one brand tutorial. Today I'll be using the products only from Wet n Wild and I'll create this look. I wanted to do a one brand tutorial, but somehow it turned out to be a first impression because there are few products which I've used for the very first time. All the products from Wet n Wild are really good and are really affordable. If you want to know how I achieved this look with only Wet n Wild products, please keep on watching this video. So first we will start with primer. For that I am using this Photo Focus Matte face primer. I am using this primer for the very first time. See, it's still packed, so it's very liquidy. It's not a silicone based primer, it's a cream based primer. Not sure if it is doing anything for my pores, but my skin feels very smooth. And since it is a cream based primer, it's providing moisturization also to my skin. Next for foundation, I am using this Photo Focus foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige. I have used this foundation multiple times and I am obsessed with this. It's a medium to high coverage foundation and it gives you a very nice matte finish. It doesn't smell good, it smells like a thinner, but I can ignore that for the finish it gives me. It comes with a spatula like applicator, which is very easy to use. You can see it gave me a very nice coverage and a very natural like finish. The best thing about this foundation is it doesn't give you flashback, so it's a very good foundation to wear when you are going for some kind of event because you'll be clicking so many pictures and you don't want that white ghost like face. So it's a very good foundation if you want to click pictures with flash. For concealer, I'm using this Photo Focus concealer. I'm in the shade light medium beige. I'm using this concealer for the very first time, so let's see how it works. Yeah, so it comes with a very nice applicator. This applicator is very good to apply concealer under your eyes. I will use this concealer as a highlighting concealer. So I can say it blends very easily and it's not setting into my lines. I'll use the same concealer to prime my eyes as well. Next for powder, I'm using this palette. It's Wet n Wild Megaglo contouring palette. It's in the shade Duche de Lache. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So it has one contouring shade and one banana powder. I'll use this banana powder to set my eyes. Now I will bake with the same powder. So I'll apply this powder under my eyes. This will help to set my concealer. I will set rest of my face with the same powder with a very light hand because the foundation we use is a matte foundation. We actually don't need to set our face. But I'm setting my T-zone because I get oily at my T-zone sometimes. For eyeshadow, I'm using this palette. It's Wet n Wild Color Icon Nude Awakening palette. I have used Rosé in the Air palette many times, but this is the first time I'm using this one. So I'll use this as my transition color. Next, I'm taking this color from the palette. I'll apply this in my outer corners and will take it in my outer crease. blending it in my whole crease just to give some definition to my eyes. Now I will blend these two colors with this blending brush. Next I will apply this color on my lids. It has a very nice pigmentation, I can say. This look is turning into a smoky eye look somehow. I'll again blend all these colors using this brush. We don't want any kind of harsh line anywhere. I'll again take this color and increase the intensity of this color on my outer corner. Next I'm using this color. I'll take this on my fingertips and apply in middle. Again I'm using the same brush to blend all the colors together. I'll dust off this powder now. Now for my lower lash line I'm using the same transition color. Next I'll use this color. ज़्यादा अंदर नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ, केवल बाहर अप्लाई करूँगी. Next I will apply this color in my inner corners. Now for my brows I'm using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. I'm obsessed with this pencil. If you have seen my previous video, I always use this pencil. It has spoolie at one end and this brow product on other end. इसका जो शेप है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है, तो you can very easily line your brows with this. It's a gel kind of finish. It's not very waxy, and it has a very good pigmentation as well. I'll apply the same color on my brow bones as well, which I use for my inner corners. Next for contour, I'm using the same palette. I'm taking the contour shade from this palette. This is my favorite palette for contour. I'll use the same powder to contour my nose as well. For blush, I'm using this blush. It's Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. It's in the shade Pearlescent Pink. This is also I'm using for the very first time. See, it's packed. It has a little bit shimmer to it, and it comes with a brush. Small tiny brush. I love this color and it is blending very well. So highlighter, I'm using this highlighter. This is Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder. It's in the shade Blossom Glow. So this is also I'm using for the very first time. It's a very nice packaging. I wanted to order that golden one, but that was out of stock, so I ordered this with pink undertone. For eyeliner, I'm using this eyeliner from Wet n Wild. It's Pro Line felt tip eyeliner. I'm using this also for the very first time. It's a very tiny liner. It comes with this flat tip. It's very easy to work with this kind of tip. I won't be using kajal today because I don't have it. I've ordered the kajal from Nykaa, but it didn't reach me yet. So for mascara, I'm using this mascara. It's Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. Very interesting packaging, I should say. Again, a very interesting and different kind of applicator. It is giving very nice curl to my lashes, and it's very easy to apply the mascara on lower lashes with this applicator at the top. For lipstick, I use this lipstick from Wet n Wild. It's from their megalast range. It's in the shade Sandstone. It has very nice pigmentation on lips and it has creamy texture to it. So guys, that's all for today. I liked all these products from Wet n Wild today. All these products are of very good quality and these are very affordable also. So guys, I hope you like this one brand tutorial. If you want to see all such kind of one brand tutorial, please let me know in the comment box. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.